the theme of today's video is understanding the landscape of taxes when selling your home. I actually put some notes together here because obviously taxes are a lot more in depth, and I want to make sure I give you some good, accurate information. So going through the list here, first, when it comes to the landscape of taxes in a home, the first thing to look out for when selling are the capital gains rates. So that means from when you bought the property or inherited, so whatever that price is, to then when you're about to sell it, what the price has grown to, and then you subtract the difference. And then from there, you'll be able to determine the capital gains on that property. Then, of course, when it comes to the holding period, you're going to want to make sure that if you sell the house, if you inherit it, for example, and you try to sell it quickly, that will be more towards short-term capital gains, which is a higher tax. But if you hold it longer, if you have that kind of time, you'll be able to reap the benefits of a lower tax from long-term capital gains. Next on the list is the home exclusion for a primary residence. So if it is your primary residence that you're selling, you could be exempt for an individual taxpayer up to $250,000. But if you're married, you can actually be up to $500,000. So that is also something to ask maybe an accountant or any tax expert when selling your home about the home exclusion primary residence example. Then, of course, when it comes to selling a house and the government, they're always going to find ways to get their cut. Another way they do that is the inheritance tax. So if you are inheriting the property on top of the capital gains, they will have an inheritance tax. So you need to look out for that as well. Then, of course, there are ways to minimize the liability when it comes to taxes. So, for example, equalizing the profits and losses. So any losses on the property, any repairs that you had to pay for are an expense that can be written off to lower the amount that the house would bring in. So if you sell it, whatever you get from that, you're going to pay less taxes on it. Another way to lower your taxes would be contributions towards charities. That's another way to get more exemptions. You can also invest in the home's improvement, which will improve the value, but it can raise its tax base, lowering the total capital gains tax. Now, when it comes to a more in-depth topic like taxes, I do suggest to hire a professional and make sure you're working with the right individuals so you can get the most out of selling your home. Now, if you're looking to sell your home fast and you're looking for a good, fair offer, and you're looking for experts who can help you efficiently sell your home, even if it's distressed, I'd highly recommend giving us a call here at Pezon Properties because we help homeowners every day to sell their home fast. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.